This is the one thing that most crypto projects are not doing, and if they do this, this will change the game for many of them. But Energy Web Token is doing the same, and they are trying to reach their customers where they are. This is the reason this news will shock you and also make you more bullish for future of Energy Web Token. Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Clarity. My name is Sahil and this is the channel where we talk all about blockchain and cryptocurrency. So if you're new here, please make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel so that you can learn about news like this and which is related to technology more than the financial side of crypto. So for those of you who haven't heard about Energy Web Token previously on my channel, this is a token which works with blockchain technology and also creates energy solutions which are more greener and more economical for the people who are using it. And this is because of blockchain technology that it is able to decentralize this kind of system, because right now in the current energy market it's really hard to decentralize it and make profits for people who are literally sending their energy back to the grid and using it for different kind of purposes. So Energy Web Token focuses on those solutions, and it is a very big name in the green economy. They have multiple partners related to Shell or different Accenture consulting companies as well. So they are big on this kind of partnership space as well. Recently, they did a setup with Amazon Web Services Marketplace because they wanted to reach their clients where they are, and it is the news that has been uh, coming out. It's now with Microsoft Azure Marketplace, which is another cloud service, obviously from Microsoft. And as someone who works in this space, I believe that this is really important. I work in the cloud engineering space and I know how many companies, big systems, they use this solution for their cloud management. And um, Energy Web Token is trying to do that kind of stuff there, and very important for you to know this, that they are doing the technology part and they need to get to their clients. So it's really important that they bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web 3. Obviously, that's where the value will be created, and how you give the solutions to the current stakeholders in a space. That's where they will try to come in and bring in more value. So let's not waste any time, and I'll go into the article which explains this. And this will be a short video where we will just see what they are doing here. So the article was on Feb 14th. The Energy Web now available on Azure. The release of Energy Web's decentralized data hub on Microsoft Azure Marketplace significantly improves user experience for enterprise. So they mention here that they are targeting enterprises, which are their big clients as well. So these people already use Azure as a service for themselves. So cloud service, anything they will be using, they can add on top of that as Energy Web give them more tools for that. So if you see, in 2022 was a major turning point for Energy Web, whereas in the past much of our effort was devoted to innovation and experimentation. Last year our focus shifted entirely to execution specifically, so delivering new features, functionalities across three core solutions. So they have mentioned it previously, it was mainly in innovation and experimentation, and now they're focused on creating these solutions which are executed in these specific environments as well. We and our community of enterprise members are now crystal clear about what problems we solve. If we click on this, I think it will take us to another article, and how our open source software solution create tangible business value. So as I mentioned, this is what is required, where they are creating real value and creating day-to-day solutions for these big clients of themselves. And let's see what are the solutions. The grid has a coordination problem, which each passing day electricity makes market must cope. with more technology, more resources in more location, more participants, more business models, tariffs, regulatory, etc., etc. Managing these complexity requires better way to share information, coordinate actions among diverse stakeholders within any given market. This is exactly the challenge we solve. In energy markets, in electricity markets, our focus is harmonizing data and workflows that affect multiple organizations across transmission and distribution system. So this is what they have mentioned here. First is transmission systems operator, then it goes to distribution system operators, then it's market participant. So it flows all around with their solution, but currently in the energy market, this solution is not there because the data is so much and it's hard to manage it for people with a single place of source as well. So since all of these are in a centralized entity because multiple companies have their own databases, they have different solutions there with different policies, so it gets really hard to manage that kind of stuff. And blockchain and energy web solution, they have the best in this category. Electricity, they are doing the same thing that is required, so that's why I'm really bullish on this project as well. If you see, as demonstrated by many other software categories with huge addressable markets, the best way to scale adoption and impact is to make sure solutions available on demand with the click of a button. So exactly what I mentioned here, because they are providing software development kits. So these can be deployed based on what company requires, which feature. So this is what is important. As any blockchain or crypto company needs to grow, they need to provide these kind of solutions so that others can use it. Otherwise, what's the point of the technology if it's just for speculation? So this is what is really important, and I see that this is creating real value. Although the market is down, but they are creating these solutions which are really important for future, and I believe that in next bull market they will see the benefits of this, and a lot of people will understand why energy web token is really undervalued right now. So if you are watching this video right now, consider yourself you are really early, and make sure you hit like and subscribe on this video. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.